We'll guide you through how to download and install the Gmail app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient to go and have the Gmail app because then you can easily go and access your Gmail inbox. You can go and send emails, receive them, and go and use Gmail. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and have a internet connection, whether that's via Wi-Fi or mobile data or cellular data. Open up the store on your device. So on an iPhone here, we've got the App Store, so we can open up that. Go and find the search. Usually it's going to be somewhere at the bottom here, so I can press it over to the right, and we can go and press search at the top, and we'll then go and type in Gmail, like so. And here it is. Now what we can do is go down and find it. Now for you, it most likely will go and say get, like this app up here. For me, it's got the cloud icon because I've had it before, so we're going to go and press it over to the right, or you can go and tap on it. So I'll go and press it over to the right, or we can tap on it and press the download icon like so. Go and wait for it to go and download. It shouldn't go and take too long. When it finishes, it will go and say open. So you can press that there, or you can come out of it and go and find the Gmail app. As you can see, there it is. So you can go and tap on it. Now you can go down here and go and press sign in like so. I've already got some accounts on this device here, but otherwise you can go and sign in. You can go and switch the accounts you want to go and have on, and you can even remove them if you want to as well. Press done.